Hello everyone. We would like to welcome all the Suzuki riders.
We're going to stay night camp in Sohbar. So I hope everybody has a great time. Everybody rides safe.
तो गाइस आज चलते हैं पहली बार राइड पे और ये मेरा पहला एक्सपीरियंस होगा राइड पे जाने का क्योंकि आज तक मैंने कभी राइड गया नहीं।
We also like to convey everyone that you will always enjoy and cherish the moments that you will be going for the ride.
मैं ये पर्टिकुलर राइड से एक चीज़ हम लोग को सीखने को मिलता है जो राइडर्स का एक्सपीरियंस. It was a wonderful ride for us as riders. It's kind of family here. We get to know each other.
Berkalong ka ride ka ba? Peaceful, niya ban daga dita jay. Nipoy ro ka daga dita jay ani kalong ka ba itanat.
Kalau pengaruh ngadap itu teman lo, mangihi si teman ni dan lala kacang kapur, si penyakit tapi mah pakai LCP, lakat ke Sohbar ni bagi layo bagi semetalam ya kan ya, dah ni dapat teman bagi yo bagi ada dekat.
So it has been a nice evening here so far with the Suzuki team on the Suzuki Gixxer ride out mission that we accomplished so far.